Let's go. Sit upright. Let's mute everyone because I'm hearing noises. Yes. So we sit upright. Let's check our posture, feeling our soles on the ground, feeling our sitting bones and our bums on the chairs, as upright as you can be, as you feel comfortable with. And, check your shoulders by lifting them and dropping them. Check your jaw, it's relaxed. Check your jaw. Admit. People come in. Okay. I will just do a few vowels, just humming. Let's go. Humming and then vowels. Making your front of your mouth buzz and again. Open your mouth into nice as you're doing that, make sure your face is relaxed, jaw is relaxed. You can sing any other note you like. Into Let me see you. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. We'll start with a little niggun. So upright, and gentle with your voice. And we'll sing this one. Wait. We'll sing this one. Ya da da okay, da da da. Oh, this one. Ya da 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 da. 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 Ay da da da. One more time. Ya da da, nice and gentle. Ya da da da, going up. Ya da da da, ya da da da. Second ending. I die, 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 die. This thing again from the beginning. Ya da da da, ya da da da, ya da da da. This is an again, yeah. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da. I die, 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 die. So even if you didn't know it, today I think you know it. Hopefully, let's do this one more time. Just that. Ya da 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 da, ya da da da. Add more volume when you're ready. Ya da 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 da, ya da 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 da. I die, 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 die. Let me see your faces relaxed. Okay? Ya da da, looking down rather than up. Da 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 da, ya da da. Really die, die, die. Yeah, active faces. Die, 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 die. Second half, listen. Ya da da die, die, ya da da die, die, ya da da die, die, ya da da die, die. Okay, Jewish mode. I'll do this one more time. For those who don't know it, it's a bit tricky. Ya da da die, die, ya da da die, die, ya da da die, die. They're in minor. Ya da da die, die. Then we're saying, doing the same die, 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 die. One more time. Ya da da die, die, ya da da die, ya da da die, die, ya da da die, 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 die. Going up again. ya da 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 da, 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 I da 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 da, up, ya da 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 da, 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 do this one more time from the beginning. Ya da 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 da, 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 I die die die, ya da 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 da, 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 die, going up, ya da 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 da, 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 okay, we will need a bit of that range today, maybe not the very top note, not the very high note, but most of the other notes. Let me see your faces. Are you warmed up more or less? I see there are comments. Paul, you like the Nigun. Does anyone know the title of this Nigun? There is no really a title. I think it's one of the Nigunim from a Beregovsky collection. If you write to me and remind me, I can send you that. I think I have music for it somewhere. Okay, now to our song. Now, you know, I like to make these connections between Russian and Yiddish culture. And it just happened. I spent hours looking for a song for us for today because I wanted something celebratory, because it felt like we should, I don't know, drink something, like feel good. And this song is not necessarily a happy one. As I say, in Russian songs, there's rarely 100% happiness and joy, but at least it has this kind of drinking to life mode, and it's also a Yiddish song. So the first thing we do, we'll just go through the melody, excuse me, and then we'll just, we'll do the whole thing in Yiddish. So here comes the tune. And I hope that you will feel the Russianness of it, and still we can make it sound Jewish at the same time. Here is the song. It won't be in this key, otherwise it will be too high for most of us. So we're going a bit lower. I'm afraid that we're going into A minor, quite a lot lower actually. Here is the tune. La 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 la. Let's go together from the beginning. La 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 la. La 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 la. Next bit. La 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 la. That bit again. That phrase. La 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 la. Carry on. La. We have this connection to the chorus. Before we do that, let's go through the verse one more time. From the beginning, let's go. La la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. Carry on. La 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 la. let me just see you. Easy to sing, right? Easy to
Very
sing.
low.
You almost know it, right? Even though maybe you've heard it first time. It's such a quintessential song of its type. To me, it's a Russian gypsy romance style song. And when I say gypsy romance, it's actually the gypsy romance, the cruel romance is a specific style in Russian music that we do in our Russian sessions quite a lot. And this is one of them. It has a very specific speeding up feeling to it, which we will look into. Let's look at our text, verse 1. What's happening here?
Can I just ask if we can do the other guitar song another
If we can
time?
do what, Judith? If we can do what?
We've got another guitar song, which we did last year.
Yeah, we did sing the guitar song, I think, in one of these sessions.
Oh, did we? I wasn't there.
Yeah,
sorry.
we did.
Okay, I want to do it again. But
sometime, yeah, there is another guitar, but that's a Yiddish song. This is a kind of Russian Yiddish. Okay, let's look at our text. I'm glad you like that other song, Judith, though. I like that one as well. So let's read through the first verse, and I guess let's just look at it in our music right here. Spiel guitar, let's go together, right? Read with me. Let's go in the rhythm of the song. Let's go. Spiel guitar, bis mein Zar weit auf Herren. Okay, one more time. Spiel guitar, bis mein Zar weit auf Herren. Next line. Sollen platzen die Strunes on a Zoll. One more time. Sollen platzen die Strunes on a Zoll. Next bit. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden. Nice text, right? One more time. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden. Next line. Unvergessen, was gewesen is amol. One more time, this last line. Unvergessen, was gewesen is amol. Okay? I think we know what it means, even if you don't know Yiddish that well. I think this is the first time I've seen how champagne is pronounced in Yiddish, champagne. So, spiel guitar, play my guitar, bis zu Zar wird auf Herren, until my sorrows go away. Auf Herren, I'm not quite certain that this means go away, but in this translation, it says goes away, my sorrow goes away. Auf Herren, is it from her, like to hear? I don't know, they heard to go away. Now, sollen platzen die Strunes, again, I would say let the strings break. So it does say that. Let many strings break. I will with champagne and with wine get drunk. Und vergessen and forget was gewesen is what happened in the past. Yeah. Let's try and put this to text. Let me see what's happening in our chat. Maybe somebody is telling me some Yiddish things. Auf Herren, stop. Okay, thank you. Auf Hören. Okay, good. That makes sense. Thank you. So back to our music here. Let's see if we can sing it already with a bit of style. It can be stretched, push and pull, tempo recitativo. For now, let's not do too much of it, just to put all the syllables in place. 1, 2, 3. Spiel Gitarre, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren. Sollen platzen die Strunes ohne Zoll. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden. Oi, unvergessen, was gewesen is amol. Now, there is a zu, which is a kind of beginning of a question. In the versions I've heard, the two versions in Yiddish I've heard, this zu is either pronounced or not, or ignored, or it's sung as the beginning of the next little bit. Zu was sorgen. See that next line? Zu was sorgen. So why worry? So we can say zu was sorgen, or we can go zwos, which is how Joan Booth sings it. I think it makes kind of a bit more sense because we have this first beat missing. Zwos sorgen. I like it like this. In any case, let's read it together. Zu was, as in the music for now, okay? Let's go. 1, 2. Zu was sorgen fahren morgen fiel dem Becher on mit Wein. How is that? One more time. Zu was sorgen fahren morgen fiel dem Becher on mit Wein. Heb dem Becher, Hecher, in dem Wein vergeht der Pein, okay? So second half, heb dem Becher, and 1, heb dem Becher, Hecher, in dem Wein vergeht der Pein, okay? Let's translate that. It's easy. Zu was sorgen, why worry, fahren morgen about tomorrow. Fill them Becher on mit Wein, fill your glasses with wine, heap them Becher and hold them higher, hold the goblets, Hecher, higher and higher, in them wine, forget their pain, forget in your wine, lose your sorrows, forget your pain in the wine. Let me see what's happening in chat. Champagne isn't the standard word for champagne. In Yiddish we would say champagne. Yeah, I thought it sounded strange. Okay, now let's sing that. Chorus. Welche Sorgen fahren morgen, fiel der Becher mit Wein, heb dem Herr, in dem Wein vergeht der Pein. La la la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Sounds Russian and Yiddish enough to you. There are quite a lot of Yiddish songs. You know, the Tzigayner has the same Richard Sivo verse and then chorus that takes you into that kind of despair and joy at the same time, laughter through tears, sorrows and wine drinking and all that. Forget their pine, says the Yiddish text. Yeah, maybe. Okay, excuse me. So first verse all the way through, let's try and push and pull, slow down, speed up a bit. I hope you listen to the Leshchenko recording on YouTube. It's a fantastic, very stylistically correct interpretation of the song in Russian. And that's the example, kind of the stencil of that genre for us. So. Spiel Gitarre, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren, sollen platzen die Strunes ohne Zug. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden, oi, unvergessen, was gewesen ist Amor. Okay, so when we talk about stylistic elements in this song, there is a very important stylistic element, the speeding up. And I often say that if you weren't born in East European culture, speeding up is very difficult to get. How you speed up, with which speed, how do you start? So before we go into the second verse, let's try this. We don't look at text at all. We'll try to sing chorus, really stretching it, and then really slowly adding a bit of tempo, and we end up on this crazy kind of rushing that troika into Russian field feeling. Okay, so are you with me? Let's go. Die, 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 die. It's one of these. Do you see how it gradually adds tempo without going crazy in one place? It just builds up and builds up. So, you know, we've been doing that all our lives. I played in a kabak, and I kind of in restaurants and cafes for big dance parties in my younger years, and that's what people demanded. That would always get people dancing. Second verse. Now there is one little thing. I found this song in a Mlotek book. Some of us know what the Mlotek books are. It's a wonderful compilation of Yiddish songs, 3 books full of great material. And when I found it, I was surprised to see one interesting note there. I'll show you that note. That didn't make sense to me. Now, I didn't know that particular song, but stylistically, it didn't make sense to me. So I corrected it in the text. Let me see if I can't really show you. If you look at the second line from the bottom, Becher on mit Wein. You see that Wein? So there is this F in the original key. Yeah, in the Mlotek book, in that score, they had staying on one chord. Strange. And I heard in one of the versions, I think the Yiddish man from Poland, the kind of a folkish recording, I think he even was the person who translated into Yiddish. He does sing up to that note, but it needs to change harmony. So this is the only alteration I made to the original score from the Mlotek book. If you come across that and you want to be precise, that's my alteration. And Joanne Boots, who made this song popular in America, sent me her version, which she asked me not to share with anyone. It was just a rehearsal version, but she does go up that semitone as well. And the Russian singers also go up not a semitone, to that different harmony. So we should as well in this session, okay? Second verse. Now I have something in the chat. Anything I need to know? I've got, oh God, your dad's, okay, good. All the good things. Second verse. So as many Russian songs of that period, of that style, they talk about, you know, like those were the days. It's exactly the same kind of thing. The past, you know, same kind of thing. The past and memories and never mind, we can still drink and celebrate life. And that kind of sorrowful past, and forget the pains and just be full of joy despite. So now a little disclaimer here. This talks about gypsies. I don't know if we can be politically correct and say gypsies anymore, but this is a historic thing. So this is what it says in the song. I think we're supposed to say Roma now. So Die Zigeuner. Let's read the second verse in the rhythm of the song. 1, 2, let's go. Die Zigeuner, sie ruhen und schlafen. One more time. Die Zigeuner, sie ruhen und schlafen. Next line. Und mein Herz schon kein Lidl. Oh, sorry, kein Lidl. It should be stretched. One more time. Und mein Herz schon kein Lidl nicht mehr. One more time. Und mein Herz schon kein Lidl nicht mehr. Next line. Nor kolzman sis faran wein atropen. Oi, one more time. Nor kolzman sis faran wein atropen. Oi, is das Leben unterteut schon als eins. Wonderful. And again, last line. Is das Leben unterteut schon als eins. Life and death is the same. So gypsies, they rest and they sleep, and there is no more song heard, and as long as there is a bit of wine, life and death are the same. Yeah, let's try and sing that and then go into chorus. I hope that you know the tune well enough by now. I'm going to do this. So we won't look at the tune, we'll look at our text. Second verse, let's go. Die Zigeuner, sie ruhen und schlafen, und mein Herz schon kein Lied und nicht mehr. Nur Kosmans ist voran Weihnachten, oi, ist das Leben unterteut schon als eins. Look up at the other bit of text. Oi, und zwischen Sorgen fahren am Morgen, fiel dem Becher an mit Wein, heb dem Becher, Hecher, Hecher, in dem Wein vergeht der Wein. Zwischen Sorgen fahren morgen, fiel der Becher an mit Wein, heb dem Becher, Hecher, Hecher, in dem Wein vergeht der Wein. Okay, let's stop here. Let me see you. How is that going for you? Having fun? It's quite low for some of us. I know, but there is this high note at the end. We might go up a semitone, a tone, maybe a minor third towards the end of our session today, so the higher voice people can also sing out fully. Okay, but for now, stay in that.
Can I ask,
Tell us.
when we speed up, I keep seeing a film in my mind of the Russian men dancing with their knees bent and they kick out. You know, it's a very, what do you call that? That's what they're doing in my mind.
Oh, you mean that like this kind of thing, right?
Yes, they're kicking
Kazatsky,
out.
they call it Kazatsky, but there are lots of different moves that they do.
They're doing the Kazatsky, yeah.
Yeah, okay. You know, it's Russian imagery. Good. So let's sing it all the way through the way we know it. You can go for la la la's instead of text if that's easier to just get that mood, the kind of the speeding up, right? And if you don't sing exactly in tempo with me, it doesn't matter. It can be quite stretched, quite recitativo. So be creative. Let's go from the beginning. Sometimes with text, sometimes without text, la la la's. Let's just see where it takes us. Spiel Gitarre, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren. Sollen platzen die Strunen so nach so. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden. Oi, unvergessen, was gewährt ist Amor. Deiner, sie ruhen und schlafen, und mein Herz schon kein Lidl nicht mehr. Nur Kolsmann, sie ist voran Weihnacht roten, ist das Leben unter Teut schön als eins, zwei Sorgen, fahren am Morgen, fiel der Becher und mit Wein, heb der Becher, in dem Wein vergeht der Wein, solcher Sorgen, fahren am Morgen, fiel der Becher und mit Wein, heb der Becher, in dem Wein vergeht der Wein. Go up just for fun. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 You can dance in your chair. Okay, how was that? Now see if we can get more of that speeding up and fun out of the song in our remaining 11 minutes. What do you think? What's going on here? Like a Yiddish transliteration, nicht mein, little schön mein, kein little schön mein, kein little nicht mein. I think it's both correct, isn't it, Paul? I think it's both correct.
No, they just don't agree, that's all.
Yeah, I know. I picked it from the Yiddish. I cannot type in Yiddish, so I got the Yiddish from. Yeah.
A typo.
Isabel, say again.
I suspect a typo, a double typo.
I couldn't hear
Well,
you.
I suspect a double typo
Why
A
double?
because for me it's nicht mehr and not nicht
Yeah,
mehr.
that's what I thought, but I just looked it up.
see.
Main, no, main is an adverb meaning more. I just looked it up. I didn't know that. So main is a synonym of male.
Forget
Yeah, nicht mehr. Yeah, and not anymore. Yeah, I know. Not agreeing sounds very Jewish. Yes. Okay. So
Here's
I'll
three
please
opinions.
forgive all these little discrepancies. I pulled this song from several different sources, and there is nowhere online where you can. I could not find any Yiddish recording. So I had to really ask my good friends to send me some files. So the Yiddish recording I got from Lawrence Glamberg, who dug into his archives at home and got it to a CD, sent me, kind of scanned the CD and sent me everything. And then Joan Booth, who used to sing it some years ago, who is even mentioned in the book. I said, Joanna, I know you sang it because you're in the book, in the Mlotek book. So she said, okay, I can look through my files from the past. And she found this file from the past. It's interesting. So it's good to bring this song back. So there will be some homework for me to do to tidy it up, but I hope we can still enjoy it today with all these little discrepancies. Let's go. Verse 3. Susan, did I see your hand going up, no?
Oh, I was just cheering you on.
Okay, good. Thanks for that. Let's go. Verse 3. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. So let's see what happens to that. So it's a bit sad at the end, right? The usual. Alt und schwach. Let's go together. And let's go. Read it. Alt und schwach. Und nadach ist verblieben. One more time. alt und schwach, ohne Dach ist verblieben. Yeah, you can read the translation, it's correct, it's exact. A Zigeuner, a Feld, ganz allein. One more time. A Zigeuner, a Feld, ganz allein. Yeah, a gypsy and the field and all alone. Verdlich, yeah, next line, let's go. Verdlich ganven meidlich von Lieden. That's really, really stereotypical, I'm afraid. So stealing horses and making love to girls. Verdlich ganven meidlich viel Lieden. If you don't like it, change it. Okay, last line. Fleckt singen das Lied also schön. Excuse me, one more time. Fleckt singen das Lied also schön. And he used to sing that song so beautifully, right? Again, it's a historic document. Like we don't talk about Jews having big noses. We don't sing about gypsies stealing horses anymore. So change it, okay? Let's sing it once and maybe forget about it. Third verse. Alt und schwach, ohne Dach ist verblieben. A Zigeuner, a what? A held. Wait, I'm sorry. A held, of course, a held.
Hero.
Okay, a held, ganz allein. One more time, my mistake. It's a held, not a feld. Und alt und schwach, ohne Dach ist verblieben. A Zigeuner, a held, ganz allein. Verdlich gangen, meidlich viel Leben. Fleckt singen das Lied also schön. Solche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill den Becher und mit Wein. Heb dem Becher, in dem Wein vergeht dem Wein. Solche Sorgen fahren morgen, fill den Becher und mit Wein. Heb dem Becher, in dem Wein vergeht dem Wein. So we're going to bring it together into some kind of shape. Let me just see what happens in the chat. Yes. Okay. And who are? Okay, hero. So we're going to sing. I don't like that. Yeah, Tila, go.
I just wanted to ask, in the Russian version of this, do they use the word oi? Or is that just really very Yiddish?
Version, I don't have it right here in front of me. Oi, possibly.
Is that a Russian, sort of expletive or something? I mean,
in Russian, you would say you can say oi as well, but less often. You would say you can say tends to be a k at the end. And by the way, those who are coming to a Russian session on Thursday, there'll be a similar style song with a similar melody. I thought about teaching the same song, but no, not the same. A similar kind of on the same style. Okay.
good.
So here
Paulina,
is
Paulina,
Yeah.
Paulina, can I ask you, is it not Ganev in Hebrew is to steal somebody, but you wrote down Ganvinnen, but I think it's Ganeven, double N. In Hebrew.
Ganev.
A Ganev is somebody who steals.
We know who a Ganev is. Ganvin and
Yeah, but you wrote down Ganvinnen. Ganvinnen, I think.
Ganvin sounds right to me. Paul, what do you think?
It's the verb. It's the verb to steal. It's not the noun thief.
It's the verb.
Verb to steal. Ganvinen.
Ganvin.
Ganvin. Okay.
Ganvin. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
Beth, I see you on mute. Do you want to say something, Beth?
No, I'm just agreeing with Paul.
Yeah, agreeing with Paul. Agree with Paul and Beth. Yes, good. To have professionals here. Thank you very much. So we're going to bring it everything together. Okay. I'm closing our chat and let's focus purely on the tune. We will sing it and really stretch it. I hope you can follow my piano. We'll really stretch it. We'll do recitative, we'll speed up, we'll slow down, we'll do ay-ay-ay's and text and mix it all, okay? And we will probably make it into a 3-verse song or something. We have 3 minutes to do it. Let's go. Okay, I'm hearing someone. Make sure you're muted. Oh, wait, you know what? I'll mute you. I see several people unmuted. Participants, wait, sorry, mute all. Yeah, mute all. Back to text. Wonderful. And thank you for coming. And by the way, I sometimes don't respond to small messages that don't necessarily need responding. So I get your messages and your thank yous and your payment notes and everything. So thank you very much for that. Let's go. Spiel Gitarre, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren. Sollen platzen die Strune so nach so. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne stichiger werden. Unvergessen, was gewesen ist Amor. Zwölf Sorgen fahren morgen, fiel dem Becher und mit Wein, hey, dem Becher, in dem Wein vergeht der Die Zigeiner, sie ruhen und schlafen, und mein Herz scheint kein Lied und nicht mehr. Nur kurz man ist voran, Weine trocken, ist das Leben und der Tod schön als eins. Spiel Gitarre, bis mein Zar wird auf Herren. Sollen platzen die Strune so nach so. Ich will mit Wein und Champagne schicker werden. Oi, ohne vergessen, was gewesen ist Amor. What a joy. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. You can unmute yourself, say goodbye to everyone, and thank you.
Thank
And
you,
we'll see you
Polina.
either at the Russian session or at the
Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye, everyone.
Paulina.
Bye,
Stay
everyone.
safe.
See you
Bye.
then.
Bye.